So, thank you. Okay, George, welcome to Nakuru.
Thank you, Vincent.
Yeah, so very much appreciated for your coming.
Thank you.
Yes, to be here with us.
Thank you.
So maybe just briefly, we understand there's an artisan training going on.
Yeah.
Could you explain maybe what it's all about?
Okay, what we are doing is that Finish Inc., that is Finish in Kenya, is partnering with Finish India to build the capacity of the artisans that we are going to work with in Busia and Kilifi, so that they have the requisite skills as we start off the program. So we are taking them through a 1-week training on various sanitation technologies that we expect them to support communities to implement in the 2 counties. Yes.
And what are some of the components that you expect the artisans to learn so that they take the skills home by the time they leave?
Many things. We are expecting them particularly to learn how to bring the cost of sanitation down in terms of design, in terms of the materials that they are going to use, and what is available. As you realize, is that sanitation in Kenya is very expensive and not very accessible by most of the people in the areas that we are targeting. So the key thing that we expect them to learn is needed to design sanitation facilities that are affordable by these communities, and also not only affordability, but also that give us optimum benefits in terms of environmental protection. That is going to be very important. So it's about design, it's about the cost of the facilities. Mainly, that is the focus. Yes.
And we see some work going on behind you.
Yes.
Do you know what is happening here?
Yeah, we are partnering with the county government of Nakuru to train these artisans also in practical action. So what is happening is that in this particular facility, Roda facility, we are supporting the construction of a leach pit, and then a soak pit, and also a septic pit, which is going to be finished by the time we finish the training. So that's part of the support we are giving to the government, which is very good. That's part of the partnership.
That's very good.
Yes.
That's very exciting. Yes. As a program manager, where do you see finishing in the next 5 years?
Finishing, we are hoping that now as we are starting with Kilifi and Busia, but that is just a starting point. We just had a board meeting the last 2 days, and what we are figuring out is that finishing is looking at financial inclusion, particularly in sanitation, and financing sanitation, particularly, which is a very core area as we move towards the sustainable development goals, and increasing access to, not only increasing only, but also ensuring universal coverage of sanitation in Kenya. So we are seeing finishing as a model that is going to assist us as a sector to understand how best to work with the private sector, to work with entrepreneurs, to work with the microfinance institutions, and to work with the county governments to ensure universal coverage of sanitation. And so in the next 2 years, perhaps we will remain in Kilifi and Busia, but we hope that as we get to the third year, 4th year, 5th year, we should be able to cover neighboring counties in the 2 years. And why not cover the whole country? The model shows that. And this is so we believe this is possible because there are many lessons that we learn in the course of the next 2 years, 3 years. But also most importantly, we are working with KDEP and also with Family Bank, who have a national coverage. So as finance institutions who have an interest in business, we are believing that as they expand their business, they will be able to cover many other counties in the country, which is going to be very positive.
Thank you very much. We're looking forward to see what finishing will achieve.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Mohamed Ali.